In today's video, I'm going to teach you using development mode in Cloudflare. If you're updating your website's design, tweaking CSS or JavaScript, or making quick content changes and want to see those updates immediately, development mode is your friend. It temporarily bypasses Cloudflare's cache, so your site serves fresh content straight from your origin server while you work. Keep in mind, this can make pages load a bit slower during the window it's active because Cloudflare isn't serving cached copies. Let's walk through it from the start. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. You'll land on a list of your sites. Find the specific domain you want to work on and click it to open that domain's overview. This ensures any changes you make apply only to the site you're actively editing. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click on caching. This is where Cloudflare manages how your content is stored and served to visitors around the world. Inside the caching area, you'll see several options that control behavior. We're interested in the settings that affect how cache behaves while you're making changes. Now click the configuration section within caching. This page brings together practical toggles and defaults you can adjust without digging into advanced rules. Scroll down until you see development mode. It's usually presented as a simple switch with a short explanation. When you're ready, toggle development mode on. The moment it's enabled, Cloudflare starts bypassing its cache for that domain. That means when you refresh your site, you'll see new images, styles, and scripts as soon as they're saved on your server, without waiting for cached versions to expire. This is especially useful for testing layout fixes, replacing media, or verifying that a deployment looks right in real time. A few helpful notes while it's on. Some performance and optimization features tied to caching won't apply during this period, which is expected. If the site feels slightly slower, that's normal because traffic is coming from your origin rather than Cloudflare's edge. Development mode is designed to be temporary and typically turns itself off automatically after a short window, so it doesn't stay active longer than you need it. You can keep working during that time and reload your pages to confirm your changes are taking effect immediately. That's it. By opening your Cloudflare account, selecting your domain, going to caching, opening configuration, and toggling development mode on, you give yourself a clean, cache-free view of your updates while you build and refine your site.